Hello everyone. I got banned. Ni-remove yung access ko sa live, so that's why natigil yung live. Nire-report na nung mga opposing views yung live ko. Now that's the problem, no? When you are confronted toe to toe doon sa mga stand ninyo sa pagiging anti-Duterte ninyo, you resort to reporting. Okay, you resort to reporting. And ang problem kasi, you're going to give us insult, and then when you are insulted back, you get offended. Sa totoo lang sa akin, kung makikipag-insultuhan kayo sa akin, walang problema yun, I can take it. But you have to, you have to be ready because you're going to get the same favor. So, ngayon, malinaw na kayong mga anti-Duterte at kayong mga agree na ma-ICC si PRRD, you do not really have any strong argument. And when you are cornered, you resort to reporting. You are embarrassing, sa totoo lang. Nakakahiya kayong mga tao. Nakakahiya kayong mga nilalang. And I know that if truly hindi na marirespeto ang mga prinsipyo dito sa bansang to, we're really gonna go down the drain. And I hope that yung mga nag-re-reason just so to further pin down PRRD and the Dutertes, you think that such injustice is never gonna happen to you? If you're going to allow this injustice to happen sa isang tao na dating presidente, sa vice president, at sa mga taong mahal ng mga Pilipino, don't you think this is something that can be done to those who were insulting, maligning the Marcos family for 30 years? So, para sa akin, yung mga nananahimik sa panahon ng injustice na ito, klarong-klarong injustice, and we can articulate the injustices that happened right now. Kayong mga nananahimik sa nangyayaring injustice na ito, there will come a time that it's gonna be you, and nobody would stand up for your right kasi hindi kayo nagsalita nung nagkakaroon ng deprivation ng karapatan, nung nagkakaroon ng bastusan ng hustisya. When it's your turn na gurgurin ng Marcos administration, nobody's gonna stand up with you because wala na, kinulong na kaming lahat. Remember that.